What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks back in the cut. What's going on with y'all? I hope y'all doing good. I'm doing great-ish, you know what I'm saying. But hey guys, look, welcome back to another video. Your boy is outside. It is kind of cloudy, it is kind of cold, but that's not really gonna stop us from doing what we do. Look at the beautiful 440,000, y'all. Hold on, let me show you. Ooh, it's actually clean today. I actually spent like a whole day like cleaning the whole inside. As you guys can see, look at my carpet. Everything is clean. I spent like hours and hours cleaning this car. Even my trunk, look. If I show you the trunk, bro. I used to have so much stuff here, and now it's pretty much all gone. This I gotta get back to A-Man, cause he let me borrow it so I could do my oil change. So I gotta make sure I get that back to him. Besides that, bro, look how empty it looks. Look how much space we got here, bro. You can lay down in there and you can do whatever you want in there. But yeah, man, car's looking clean. Not so much the outside, but that's okay because, you know, the weather hasn't really been the greatest, but it's not too bad. But look, I gotta show you this real quick. This is something I don't leave without, bro. You always gotta have something, bro, because, you know, in New York you can have guns. So what do I have? A bat, bro. I'm a baseball player, so I'm always ready, bro, just in case. You never know. Not like, you know, I'm never gonna use that, but if it comes down to it, I got something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, we're just gonna go on a little drive for you guys. I got a couple things I gotta do, so I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me. Oh, my car feels kind of chilly. Let me heat it up right now. Oh, look, guys, another thing. Your boy Sticks got some gas. Yo, clap it up for your boy, man. Clap it up for your boy having some gas, bro. Because you guys know the Sticks Mobile never has gas. But hey, today, God has blessed us with some gas so we can have some fun, go on a drive, let my car warm up for a little while. I'm just super excited. Thank you guys for watching the last video. It's doing, you know, well and stuff like that, which is kind of surprisingly, bro, I don't even know how to speak English, forgive me. Spanish is my thing, but yeah, car's clean. I feel good. Gonna go hit the gym because you guys know, man, you gotta look good, man. And then if you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you play good. That's one thing that my coach used to always say when I was playing baseball and stuff like that. So I always try to keep that in mind. Not as much with the haircuts. I know, guys, I be looking rough, but hey, man, I get a haircut like every 2 weeks, or maybe longer sometimes. But then my hair just grows back way too fast, especially in my face area. But man, your boy's still handsome, bro. Your boy can still, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I got the POV cam ready to go right here. I'm about to throw you guys on right now. In a little bit, I'm gonna just let the car warm up. But if you guys are enjoying the videos, man, keep going crazy. Keep liking the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. And keep commenting because it helps me out and lets me know that you guys are liking the videos. You know what I'm saying? So I can continue making them for you guys. I know the weather is not the greatest, but we're still gonna do what we do. And yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok, bro. I'm trying to grow that account a little bit more. Just so like when I post like the videos and stuff like that, more people like you guys will see it when I upload, because I know sometimes YouTube doesn't notify when the new video is out. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, I always put it on my Instagram story so you guys can always be up to date with me. So yeah, that's with that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in a few when the car is warmed up. And just like that, we on the road, my boy. We on the road, my boy. My car is not completely warmed yet, but you know, it's getting there slowly. I put it in sport already, but I'm not gonna drive it like crazy just yet. But it's in sport. I think it's gonna make it warm up faster. But I don't really know. But hey, let's talk about, you know what? I want to talk about like the 340 and the the 440. Why did I choose a 440 and not a 340? Because I know like 340s and 440s are pretty much the exact same car. The only difference between the two, honestly, is that the 340 is a lot smaller, and the weight difference. Like I think the 340 it's like 100, maybe like 130 pounds less than this car. So like the difference is not that much, but I know when you're using them to race, or when you're using them for that kind of sort of things, then I guess weight does matter. But since I'm not a racer, I don't be racing people, I don't be, you know, going crazy, it doesn't really matter to me, you know what I'm saying? And also it's a lot smaller. I'm 6'4", so like you know, getting out of 340, you look kind of big, you know. This car, I still look tall because of how low the car is, but it's not as bad, you know what I mean? So, but honestly, like 340s and 440s are pretty much the same car.
One thing I can say though for sure is that I see a ton of like 340s around, but I never really, what is that? Is that a I don't know. And I rarely see 440s out. I know they're a little bit more common now. Like I've seen them a couple times, but honestly, there's 340s, there's 3 Series all over the place. Especially once you like, when you go in the Bronx, when you go in that area, you see a ton of them. Look at this guy with his something. I don't really know those cars, but yeah, bro. Wait, hold on. Am I even going the right way? I don't even know where I'm going. But yeah, like I was saying, like 340s, you just see it everywhere. 440s, not as much. They're less like common. Hold on, I don't even know where I'm going. Yeah, hold on, let me put this address, bro. Oh shoot, I'm trying to put the address to the gym, bro, but I don't even know if I'm going the right way, if I'm being honest. Oh yeah, oh shoot, nice. But yeah, like I was saying, 440s, I feel like they're more for like taller, lengthy people, because if you look at an M3 and then you look at the M4, like the M4 is more like a longer car than the M3. So I feel like the M3s are more for like shorter. But I mean, I'm sure like you can get into an M3 if you really want to. I just want to feel like the car fits me more. People have different opinions on things, but you know, I like my 440,000. I feel like it fits me. I mean, and if you want the coupe version, hold on, there's mad cars. And if you want like the coupe version, then that's even more sporty. But this car's coming at 1,000 behind me, this minivan. Chill out, bro. But yeah, bro, I don't think that's all I really wanted to say about like on that. Because I know like a lot of my boys, when I was very into like that car scene, when I was in the car group, I know a lot of them had like 340s, and nah, I was probably the only, I was the only one in the group. It was like, I don't even know, like 20 of us. And then I was the only one in the group that had a 440. So, you know, that kind of keeps you apart in terms of like when people see all of you guys and they see a whole bunch of 340s, M3s, and M4s, and they see your car, they're like, what the heck is that? Like, I don't really see that car that often. And that's like what was happening with me. A lot of people are like, yo, what car is that? I'm like, oh, it's a 440. It's like, oh, that's nice, bro. I barely see that car. I'm like, yeah, you really don't, to be honest. But yeah, bro, I like 440s is the GOAT, man. It's the budget GOAT. But I'm just driving around, you guys. Just wanted to chat with y'all a little bit. Yeah, bro, just enjoying the car, man, as much as I can. I know I've been saying lately, like, yo, just try to enjoy everything you got, because like you just don't know how long you're gonna have it for. And especially when you're on the road, bro, anything can happen. And so I want to stop babying this car, bro. I'm not babying it no more, bro. I'm just gonna enjoy it, keep it clean, you know, drive safe, of course, but sometimes it's not even your fault. And just do that, bro. I'm gonna just enjoy the crap out of it, bro. So that's why we out here, bro, just doing our thing, eh? I'm still gonna try to avoid these potholes, bro, because these streets, bro, they don't forgive nobody, bro. Like, so bumpy everywhere, bro. Like, I know you guys can hear it in the vid when I'm like driving over them, because them things just don't play around, bro. But I'm gonna take this exit here, and where should we go? I want to do a little drive for you guys before I go to the gym. So I'm trying to think where I could go. Man, this weather, bro, is complicated, bro. Like, one day it be cold, one day it be hot. Like yesterday was like 40 something degrees outside, but today is literally like, it's gonna be 60 according to the news. But you know, news be lying. But according to the news, we should see weather is up into the 60s. Not sunny though, but that's fine, you know what I mean? I wish it was sun though. I think it would be cool, but make the videos look even better. But hey, it's all good, bro. As long as it's not, like I was saying in previous videos, as long as it's not like snowing outside, bro, I'm cool, bro. I'm chilling. Like, as long as it doesn't snow, I'm in for all of it. Like, it could get mad cold, I don't care, bro, but I just don't want to see snow. Because as soon as we see snow, bro, like, I'm really not gonna drive this car, because this car, like I was saying, is not the best in the snow. But you know, it's just scary. Like, you can drive it in the snow, it's just a lot scarier, bro. And I'm not willing to risk, you know, the risk doesn't outweigh the the reward doesn't outweigh the risk. That's what I mean to say. So that's why I'm barely driving this car in the snow, y'all.
But if y'all had to choose though, I want to know what you guys think. Like, if you had to choose between the 340 and the 440, which one are you guys choosing? Comment it down below. I want to know what you guys like. What car you feel like it fits you more? What car would you go for? Let me know. Let me see if I can just. Yes, sir. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm driving to, but I just want to make these videos longer for you guys, so you guys can, you know, really hear the car and get to hear it, bro. Yeah, them dog ships is going crazy, bro. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna throw you. I'm gonna go. Oh, that was a cop. That was a cop back there. Chill, ganger lunch with the hammer lunch.
I ain't gonna lie to you guys, bro. I literally really just be going in circles, bro. Like around the same area, bro. I just don't know where to go, bro. Like, I don't know. I feel like, you know what? Like this weekend, I'm gonna try to just find somewhere to drive to, bro. Like somewhere random, bro. Like somewhere I don't even know nothing about. I just need somewhere else, bro. Cause I need to get out of this freaking area, bro. I feel like I know it too well now. Like I'm just always here, bro. Like I don't go anywhere. I don't really like driving in the Bronx, cause I don't know, bro. There'd be mad traffic over there for one. Two, the potholes over there are crazy. If you think that they're bad here in like Westchester where I'm at, bro, the Bronx is double that, even more than that sometimes. The city is so-so. The city be having its areas and stuff like that. But I haven't actually been to the city in a little while, so maybe I should do that. Go to the city and do what I used to do. I haven't been in the city in a long time. But I think I'm gonna do that for the video. But let me go ahead and try to. I don't know if that's a cop way back there, so I'm not gonna, you know, go crazy. But how you guys doing though? How you guys been? You know, how's life, man? How's life treating you guys? Are you guys in school? Are you guys working? What do you guys do on a day-to-day basis, man? Because me, as you guys know, bro, if you don't know, I literally just work, make videos, bro. Work, make videos, work out, and that's it. That's all I do. And also I'm working on my clothing brand. You know, merch, I guess you could say. I don't know if you know it's a whole clothing brand, but I'm working on some merch for you guys. Trying to come out with some fire, you know, some fire sweater for you guys. So I'm working on that, still figuring out like the where to get the products from and the designs and all of that. Damn, my boy look like he probably got a flat or something. He got his hazard lights on. He on the phone too. But yeah, I'm working on something real special for you guys, man. I'm taking my time on it. I want to make sure that it comes out right. I don't want to drop something that, you know, it's trash. So I gotta make sure that it's right, bro. That is done right. So that's why I'm taking my time with it. But don't worry, guys. This sweater that I'm working on right now is definitely gonna be coming out soon for you guys. And I'm really excited, man. I think you guys are really gonna like it. And yeah, bro, we'll leave it up to God, man. Hopefully all you guys like it and you guys buy them all, so that way, you know, I can continue to make more for you guys, obviously. And yeah, bro, so that's pretty much it, bro. Look at this, guys. I'm always ready, bro. I always got this cable right here. If you guys don't know what this cable is, that's just like you connect that to your OBD port and then you connect your phone to it. That's how I tune my car. That's how I erase codes. That's how I do a whole bunch of stuff. I also have the OBD2 reader thingy to see what's wrong with the car. I actually haven't connected that in a while just because I haven't gotten any lights, but I think you should, you know, still check your car once in a while. Make sure your temps are good. Make sure, you know, your coolant is level to where it's supposed to be. Just do little checkups here and then and all of that. Look at that. Is that a G80,000 or is that a G82,000? I don't know. Oh, it's a G82,000. Look at that. It looks like Slow Speed's car. Obviously this one looks way more stock, but it's nice, bro. Yeah, it's definitely stock. It's probably some like older guy driving that thing, because it looks extremely. He don't even got a lip. He don't got a side skirt. He don't got the front grille, because that's like the first thing that people do when they get those cars. They change the front grille. They didn't do nothing to it. They don't even got a spoiler on that thing, but it's clean though. Let me see if he actually got a spoiler. Then once I get closer, let me see. Oh, it's some young guy. He got the little spoiler, but I think that spoiler comes with the car, to be honest. I don't even know. But yeah, man, let me go hit this workout real quick. Oh, look at the cop that I saw earlier. He probably looking for me. Hey, don't look for me, gang. No, he not looking this way. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you guys want to see longer videos, bro, let me know. I might start like vlogging, like longer vlogs of like pretty much throughout the whole day, instead of just like, you know, 10-12 minute video, because it's, you know, I do a lot throughout the day, but not really like crazy, you know. I don't want to put a whole bunch of quantity videos. I want to put quality videos, like videos where I'm actually either teaching you guys something or just driving the car crazy, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to just be vlogging without doing nothing, because I honestly don't be doing much besides work, gym, and drive this car and make videos for you guys. That's pretty much it. But if you guys want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, check out this video right here to see more of me driving. But with that being said, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.